Cold chain transport is more than just a journey, it's a constant battle to maintain temperature control. SUNHUNK refrigerated central axle trailer combines food-grade thermoplastic materials and pre-painted metal sheets to create a cold chain transport solution that delivers both aesthetic appeal and exceptional performance. With advanced foaming technology, the insulation layer is uniform and seamless, ensuring long-term stability and protection for your cargo with a promise of no fading for up to 5 years. Its unique Great Wall-style ventilation guide rails and vertical ventilation slots ensure efficient airflow inside the trailer, maintaining an even temperature to safeguard the transport of fresh produce, perishables, and flowers, free from temperature fluctuations. The lightweight yet robust body structure reduces weight by 500 kilograms, allowing you to carry more goods and save on fuel, making your operations more efficient than ever. Choose the SUNHUNK refrigerated central axle trailer for a more precise, reliable cold chain transport experience. SUNHUNK makes every move count.